What do you think will happen if I add sulfuric acid to a solution of lead nitrate? Let's find out. For this experiment, we'll use 18 molar sulfuric acid, 50 milliliters of distilled water in a graduated cylinder, lead nitrate, a petri dish, scopula, and a dropper. Begin by measuring out 1 gram of lead nitrate. Add your lead nitrate to 50 milliliters of distilled water and stir your solution until it's aqueous. Once your lead nitrate is dissolved in the solution, add a little bit to a petri dish. Okay, and now you're ready for the best part. When you add sulfuric acid to your solution of lead 2 nitrate, it's going to create a double displacement reaction, and you'll see the precipitate of lead 2 sulfate, an insoluble white solid that will fall out of the solution. Check it out. Okay, here's a few drops of concentrated 18 molar sulfuric acid. Let's see what happens. Look at that. You can immediately see that white precipitate fall out of the solution. Let's take a look at that same reaction now in the petri dish. Again, I'm going to add drops of sulfuric acid, and immediately you can see that white lead 2 sulfate precipitate. Look at that. Just amazing. I'll add a drop over here. Look at that. Here's the balanced equation for this cool double displacement reaction. We begin with the reactants, lead 2 nitrate and sulfuric acid. We have 1 mole of lead 2 nitrate, that's the PbNO3 and we have 1 mole of sulfuric acid, that's the H2SO4. When those are combined in an aqueous solution, we get the products lead 2 sulfate and nitric acid. We have 1 mole of lead 2 sulfate, that's the PbSO4, that's the white insoluble solid, and we have 2 moles of nitric acid, that's the 2+H2SO4 in this fabulous double displacement reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.